What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be sharing here with you guys how to start a crypto YouTube channel and be a crypto YouTuber. Okay, as you guys can see right here, this is my channel, as you guys can see. So I actually started my channel back in the day as a generic how-to channel, you know, for phones or PC, just very generic and how-to videos like that. And then, you know, as I went on in life, I found out that my biggest passion was cryptocurrency and the blockchain and all that stuff, and investing as well. So then I slowly transitioned my channel into a crypto channel, and I became a crypto YouTuber. As you guys can see right here, these are all my videos here. So in this video, I'm just gonna give you guys here the advice from the top of my head. This is not a step-by-step structure type video. So I just want to say right from the start, in the beginning, there is no better time to be a crypto YouTuber, to start a crypto YouTube channel than right now. Okay, no better time. And the reason why is because cryptocurrency is still very niche. It's still very small, and you know, compared to other niches out there on YouTube. And what this means is that there is a huge demand for crypto videos on YouTube, okay? Because it's still very small and growing, but so many people are coming into crypto every single day, and I know this, okay, because I have a bunch of referrals, and I'm a pretty, you know, I'm not the biggest channel. I'm a pretty small channel. I have referrals, you know, to certain exchanges, and I get a lot of referrals. Right, so you can't imagine the big channels how much referrals they get. So it just shows you that there's a lot of people coming into the crypto world, downloading these apps, and you know, buying cryptocurrency. And with that, there's a huge demand for crypto videos, how-to videos, because we're so new into crypto that it's kind of difficult to, you know, send crypto, buy it, maybe stake it, you know, all these little, you know, details on cryptocurrencies people are searching up all the time. So there's a huge demand for crypto videos, right? And the supply, what's the supply? The supply is the amount of crypto channels. And in my opinion, there's not a huge amount of crypto channels. This is why I say there's no better time to start your crypto channel if you love crypto and you want to, you know, make videos about it and stuff, than right now, right? Because there's huge demand, and you know, there's a good amount of crypto channels obviously, but there's new channels every day because, you know, there's got to be more videos for this amount of demand. So how would I go about this? I'm going to give you guys here specific details how to be a successful crypto YouTuber if you guys are starting one now. I'm going to give you guys just in depth. So this is the video for you. First off, number one step is, you know, don't worry about what niche you're going to be in crypto. Obviously, you're going to be in crypto, but as you know, there's many niches within crypto, right? There's DeFi, NFTs, there's NFT gaming, there's certain crypto coins like Cardano. There's channels out there that are just specific channels for a coin, like a Cardano channel or like Theta channels. And, you know, they're pretty successful and they just make content just for one cryptocurrency, right? My channel is pretty generic. I kind of make, you know, videos for all types of crypto related news. But there's channels out there that still do well within this really small niche. So don't worry, when you start, don't worry about what specific niche you're going to start. What I recommend is to make your videos based on what entertains you. What, you know, if you have a question, if you want to know, oh, you know, how do I stake Cardano? What's the best app to stake Cardano? You know, how do I stake Ethereum? Stuff like that. If you have these thoughts on how to do this, there's probably millions of people out there that have the same thoughts and questions. So make a video tutorial on how to do that, right? And I'll tell you guys, even the very simple things that seem very simple to you, there's a huge demand for out there. For example, here, one of my videos here, let me show you guys here, how to buy XRP in the United States, right? Obviously, this is very simple to many people out there that are already in crypto, but to just, you know, any regular person, beginner getting into cryptocurrency, you know, it's kind of hard to buy XRP because it's not in every exchange out there. So I made this video and it's doing really good. It already has 4.5K views. So I want you to put yourself in somebody who was just beginner, who was just getting into cryptocurrency. What are they thinking, like, right? How do I buy this? You know, how do I stake this? Just very simple things. Make videos based on that. And then as you go, as you make videos, you'll discover which niche you want to be in. Maybe you just want to be a generic crypto channel video, or maybe you just really like Cardano. You just want to make Cardano content. So the next huge advice that I will give you guys here is one of the biggest things to success, and success for my channel and for many others, is consistency, being consistent. I would recommend to post and upload at least 3 videos a week. That's my standard. Okay, and there's a reason for that, because the more types of videos that you have on YouTube, the more likely that somebody will discover you. And bringing videos consistently will keep you very relevant, and you'll start to create a fan base. And another thing is that it's very easy to be consistent in a crypto channel because there's news almost every day for cryptocurrencies. So that brings me on to the next topic, the next big advice, which is, you guys, as a small beginner channel, what I would do and what I would, give advice for somebody that's just starting, 0 subscribers, all that, you guys want to make consistent videos, obviously, number one. Don't go crazy about what channel your channel is going to be about. Just make generic cryptocurrency videos. Be consistent. And another important thing is try to make videos based on the news, the breaking news, or the latest news. Don't try to make very, broad type concept videos like, I don't know, how to buy Ethereum, how to invest in cryptocurrencies. Those are very broad, and the people that have that keyword are the bigger YouTube channels that have bigger fan bases. So you're just starting. If you try to make a video like that, your videos are going to be way down in the rank when people search that topic. So what I recommend, for example, let me give you guys an example. So one day, cryptocurrency is pretty popular, and then out of nowhere, they're able to stake that coin, right? This is just news, it just came out. So what I recommend to do in that situation is, right when that cryptocurrency is stakeable, the news comes out and it's, you can finally stake, Litcoin or whatever, right? Make a video in the same day on how to stake it, how to stake, Litcoin. And, since it's brand new, it just came out, nobody made a video before on how to do that. People are going to come to your video and you're going to get a lot of views. And this is how you grow as a small beginner channel. This is the secret. And I'm giving you guys here all the secrets. Be consistent. Bring the latest type video news, okay? Bring, if there's even something small like Coinbase doing a huge giveaway, make a video on that, right? How to, get into the giveaway, whatever. Just anything related, crypto news related. And there's plenty of stuff for that. If you guys have a hard time of thinking about content on what to make for your channel, what I like to do is all my favorite crypto videos, my crypto channels that I like, I put a bell on them, and then every time they upload, it shows their video, and it just shows me, every single day. I know what's going on in the crypto world, right? I have an idea, and I can make a video similar to theirs, but in my way. And what also helps for me too, to think of content is, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter especially. Follow crypto pages, follow crypto related channels and pages, and people that share the latest crypto news. This, you'll be in tune with the crypto world, and I'm pretty sure you guys already are. If you're watching this till now, you're probably really interested in crypto and want to make crypto videos. So this is how you're gonna get your channel from 100 subscribers to 1,000 to 10,000, pretty fast if you're consistent. Bringing the latest news, the latest crypto videos based on the latest new things that's going on in the crypto world. And obviously you want to have decent thumbnails. My thumbnails aren't that crazy. Mine are just very simple. You want to be consistent in your thumbnails as much as you are in your videos, because if you're consistent in your thumbnails, if people are going to know that that's your video just by looking at your thumbnail, right? You don't want to have different thumbnails all the time. And another important thing too, to get discovered out there in the rankings, is the title and the first letters in the description is probably the most important part, more than your tags and all that stuff. Tags are still very important, but what I find is that your title is super important. The title can be a little tricky because your title can literally determine where your video is going to be. So for example, like I said, this one right here, how to buy XRP in the United States. This video is, doing really good. And if I were to just put how to buy XRP, obviously that would literally get 100 views, barely any views, right? Because it's just too broad. But as you guys can see, how to buy XRP in the United States. Now it's a little bit more specific, right? And what helps me the most with this is I love going to the search here, and I like to see what people are searching. And you can see what people are searching just based on the search. So for example here, how to buy XRP. Let's see what people are searching on Coinbase and the USA. So that's where I got mine. Okay, obviously it's not the same as in the USA. I put in the United States, on crypto.com, Kucoin, you know, all this stuff. So you don't want to get titles that are too broad. So going back to the example, like I said, the new coin that's being able to stake, and you want to make the latest new video on it, you can make a video on how to stake a Litcoin, step-by-step guide, you know, something like that. You don't just want to put how to stake whatever, right? Because it's just too broad, and you know, all the other channels are going to put something specific in there that's going to help it. And you want to keep your description very consistent with your title as well. Try to put the same keywords. This is all really simple. A lot of people just overcomplicate it. Some people might be really good at something and then really bad at SEO or titles or thumbnails, right? And then some people might be really good at SEO and then really bad in their video. So try to be consistent in everything and just balance your talents, right? I hope to help you guys out. Leave a like, comment below if you guys got any more questions. If you guys want to ask more questions, I'll be answering them in the comments below. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.